In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. We'll go through the full process of creating a project, entering the key details, and then viewing the project overview so you can start tracking activity in one organized place. This is especially useful if you want to keep project-related income, costs, and transactions easier to monitor inside QuickBooks Online. To begin, look over to the left-hand side of your QuickBooks Online account and click on All Apps. This section gives you access to additional tools and features available in your workspace. Once it opens, find and select Projects. This will take you to the Projects area where you can view existing projects or create a brand new one. From here, click on New Project to create a new project. This opens the setup window where you'll enter the project information. Take your time here because these details help keep your records accurate and make the project easier to identify later. Start by entering the project name. Choose something clear and recognizable so you can quickly find it in your list. Then select the customer connected to the project. After that, fill in the start date and end date if those apply to your workflow. You can also enter the address and any other available project details shown on the screen. The goal is to complete the fields as accurately as possible so the project is properly documented from the start. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will create the project and return you to the main project area. After the project has been created, open it to view its overview. This overview is where you can monitor the project and keep everything related to it together. You'll also see an option at the top right that lets you add and track transactions for the project. That's the key part of using projects in QuickBooks Online because it helps you tie your financial activity directly to the specific job or customer work you're managing. As you continue using the project, the overview becomes a central place to review what's happening and stay organized. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference when managing multiple jobs and keeping your bookkeeping more structured. And that's it. That's how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online.